Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, we're going to jam-pack this video with Google tech tips, so let's get started. First, when you are searching in Google, you can use quotations to search for a certain phrase or sentence, and it'll make your search results more precise. Number two is that you can actually type equations directly into the search bar. So think of Google as your calculator right there at your fingertips. Number three would be the reverse image lookup. So you can actually drag and drop an existing photo into Google and search for images like that photo. So super handy. The third one would be the conversion feature. If you're trying to go to miles to kilometers or pesos to the US dollar, you can type that directly into Google's search bar and it'll give you accurate information. You can also use Google as a timer, so you can say, set a timer for 10 minutes, and it will. Google is jam-packed with all these incredible search features that make your life easier, and I hope these tech tips were super helpful. For more information, make sure that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, and you can always reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great weekend, everyone.